Welcome to the world of wonders, everybody! Yeah! Baka daw may listening device ako. That you are holding some sort of a pen. Yes, thank you very much. A long balloon. Yes! You're holding a stuffed toy. Yes! 0, 6, and 2. Thank you very much. Yes! Once again, I am Justin Piñon. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Good night.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your minds for the most sought-after mind reader in the Philippines, the mental assassin, Justin Piñon!
Sometimes the most extraordinary things are hidden in plain sight. Welcome to the world of wonders, everybody! Yeah! Good evening, everybody. My name is Justin Piñon and people call me the mental assassin. Gusto mo malaman kung bakit? Because of my ability to read minds. Uy! Biglang nagtago yung mga mukha nila. But I'm not psychic. I have no supernatural abilities. I cannot see the future, so don't ask me for lotto results. Hindi ko alam yon. Don't ask me about your love life. Hindi ko kilala yung mga katuluyan ninyo. Si ate nga tingin sa akin. But I can read minds through psychology, observation, body language reading. And to show you what I can do, I will be calling out a volunteer. Alright? Now, kung sinong gusto mabasahan ng isip, raise your hand. And if you want to volunteer someone else, raise his... Oh, si ma'am. Okay, si ma'am yan. Come up here on stage with me. Palapakan naman natin si ma'am. Come here, samahan kita. What is her name, ma'am? Edith. Halika dito, Edith. Yan. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Edith. Dito tayo, Edith. Now, Edith, when I read minds, okay, pag nagbabasa ako ng isip, my most important weapon, because usually I ask people to think of thoughts, and I figure them out. Pero my most important weapon are my eyes. Because without my eyes, hindi ko mababasa yung isip mo. Right? So, since this is a special evening, I am going to cover up my eyes, Edith. Tutulungan mo ako maglagay ng cover sa mata ko, okay? Not just with this blindfold, but with this duct tape, Edith. Tutulungan mo ako maglagay ng duct tape sa buong mukha ko until I cannot see. Parang na-excite siya lalo, Okay. Now, Miss Edith, nagtanggal na ako ng mga tapes dito for you para maging madali na lang, okay? Now, next is I have here a couple of poker chips. Check if those are real. The reason why we have those chips is I'm gonna put one each over my eye para kapag nakalagay na yung mga tapes sa mukha ko, kahit anong pilit kong buksan, magiging masakit at may nakaharang. Make sense? Okay, so tanggalin ko muna to. Actually, without my glasses, hindi na ako nakakakita, Miss Edith. So, first tape, tutulungan mo lang ako maglagay ng tapes, okay? First coin goes here. Kids, don't try this at home. Masakit to. Second tape. After this, Miss Edith, hindi na ako makakakita, so I'm gonna give you further instructions. Okay lang ba? Okay. Second tape goes here. Alright, can you please hand me another strip of tape? Lagay mo na lang sa dulo ng kamay ko. Galing dun sa mga tape. Okay, thank you so much. Over my eye. Another one, please. Isa pa, para sure ka talaga na hindi ako makakakita. Alright, thank you, Miss Edith. Last one, may last na ba tayo dyan? Last piece. Thank you so much. Siyempre, over my nose. Miss Edith, make sure nakadikit lahat. Everything is intact. Oh yan, thank you so. Talagang ginano niya yung coin sa mata ko. Okay naman, intact lahat, yes? Okay, can you see the black cloth over the table? Yung black na cloth. Kunin niyo po yung cloth, tapos i-blindfold niyo pa ako para sure ka talaga na hindi ako nakakita. Now, before you do that, Miss Edith, please, sabi kasi ng mga friends natin sa TikTok, baka daw may listening device ako. Meron ba? Wala, sa kabila? Wala, okay. So blindfold mo ako para sure ka talaga na hindi ako nakakakita. Yun. Wag naman sa ilong ko, Miss Edith. Baka bigla na lang ako mag-fade. And you can tie it up as tightly as you want. Ayun, aray. Yun, okay. Sanay na sanay ha. Now, Miss Edith, this is important. I cannot see underneath. Wala? Nothing? Okay. I'm going to try to demonstrate what psychics call remote viewing. Sabi nila, remote viewing is seeing through someone else's eyes. For example, naka-blindfold yung psychic, nakapikit, nakikita daw na yung nakikita ng ibang tao through their powers. But I am not psychic and wala akong kapangyarihan. However, nakaisip ako ng paraan to replicate that phenomena using my other human skills, okay? I want you to get random objects from the audience. It could be any object at all, okay? Go! Any items will do. And if you have it, just say yes. Pwedeng kahit ano kung may gusto. Mas maganda kung galing sa hindi mo kakilala para random talaga. And if you have it, Miss Edith, just go back here. Now, Miss Edith, ang tawag dito ay muscle reading. Please put my hand over your shoulder. In the audience, don't tell me what the item she's holding, but can you see the item? Yeah, oh yes. Marami nagsasabing no, marami nagsasabing yes, pero feeling ko maliit lang to, hindi ganun kalaki. Can you see the shape? Pahaba. Tama ba, Miss Edith? Pahaba? Yes, pahaba? Yes. Can you see the color? Oh, most are thinking black, some are thinking transparent. Black, transparent. I'm not sure what that is. This is just calculated guessing. Am I right, Miss Edith, that you are holding some sort of a pen? Yes. Yes, thank you very much. Next item and say yes kapag hawak mo na. Yes, okay. Audience, can you see the item she's holding? Hindi na kita hawakan kasi alam ko na kung paano ako mag-isip. Mas maraming sumagot, so feeling ko malaki to. Yes? Can you see the shape? Pahaba. Ooh. Can you see the color? Yellow. Everybody, don't tell me what the item is. Isipin nyo lang ng isipin. Am I right in saying, Miss Edith, sana tama ako, that you are holding a long balloon? Yes! Whew. Last item and say yes pag hawak mo na. Yes, the audience, don't tell me what the item she's holding. Pero nakikita nyo ba? Yes! Uy, maraming bata yung sumagot. Feeling ko pambata to. Can you see the color? Ooh, most of you are thinking gray. Some are thinking black. Some are thinking white. Can you see the shape? Yes! May nag-iisip ng bilog, may nag-iisip ng pahaba, may nag-iisip ng malambot. Am I right in saying that you're holding a stuffed toy? Yes! Is everybody enjoying? Ako din nag-enjoy, Miss Edith. One last thing. I need you to get any paper bill from the audience, kahit anong papel na pera. Any denomination, any currency. Pag meron kayong paper bill dyan na gustong ipahiram sa amin, bigay nyo lang kay Miss Edith. Any paper bill, any denomination, any currency will do. And Miss Edith, pwede kayong kumuha galing kahit kanino. Make sure na random din yan. And say yes kapag meron ka na. Any paper bill. May nagilo ko parang sabi, ito. Okay, nandito ka na ba? Yes. Do you have the paper bill with you? Yes. Nakikita mo ba yung serial number? Yes, okay. Based on my knowledge with money, usually, lalo na sa peso, usually nagsistart siya sa letters. Tama ba? Okay. Now, since wala kang mic, mag-nod ka na malaki with yes kung tama ako, go no if no, kung mali ako, okay? Okay, ako mali ako, sampalin mo ako. Hindi, joke lang. Okay. Are you ready? Are you thinking of the first letter? Yes. Are you thinking of the letter F?
Yes.
B?
Yes.
5?
Yes.
1?
Yes.
1?
Yes.
0?
Yes.
6?
Yes.
And 2.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I'm not sure how much that is, ma'am. Isipin mo kung magkano yan. Naisip mo na ba kung magkano? Yes. Am I right in saying, hindi ganun kalaki, hindi ganun kaliit, you're holding a 100 peso bill? Yes! Thank you very much. Nag-enjoy ba ang lahat? Ako din nag-enjoy. One last thing. I want you to draw something nice and big. As in, pwede mong ilagay yung pinakamalaki mong gustong drawing dyan. And edit, syempre, huwag mong sabihin sa akin. Make it simple, like a house or a stick man. Okay? But of course, draw something else. Okay? I-hug mo siya. Okay? At nakaiharap mo siya sa'yo. Okay? Kasi in a while, I'm going to take my blindfold off. And dapat hindi ko makikita yung drawing mo pag tinagal ko yung blindfold ko, okay? And just say yes pag nagawa mo na. Hold it tight, hug it tightly para wala talagang silip. Kasi ito sobrang hirap nito gawin dahil 17 years ko to pinag-aralan at hanggang ngayon pinag-aaralan ko pa rin siya. But this is the hardest part, yung pagtanggal ng duct tape sa pagmumukha ko. Alam mo na kung bakit ako kalbo? Okay? At saka kung bakit paubos na yung kilay ko. Thank you very much. Whew. Now, Miss Edith, medyo na-guilty naman ako kasi hindi ko binasa yung isip mo. Parang inutos-utusan lang kita. Pero nag-enjoy ka naman. Okay, so I'm going to try to read your mind. Actually, I'm going to try to figure out kung ano yung drino mo dyan. Okay? Now, based on our short interaction here sa stage, kailangan kasi pumasok muna ako sa isip ni Miss Edith para malaman ko kung anong pwede niyang i-draw ngayon. Okay? Now, based on our short interaction here, I can sense that you are a type of person na parang masaya ka sa buhay mo ngayon. You are in a time of your life where you are enjoying your life right now. Kahit marami kang pinagdaanan, nasa part ka ng buhay mo na wala nang pake. Kasi ine-enjoy ko yung buhay ko ngayon. You're enjoying your life with your family and friends. Okay? Close your eyes. Sana tama ako. Subukan kong hulaan kung ano yung drino niya. Close your eyes, Miss Edith. Okay. Okay. Miss Edith, you may open your eyes now. Come here. Punta tayo dito. Lapit tayo sa audience. Now, when I count to 3, sabay natin ipapakita sa kanila kung ano yung drino mo at saka kung ano yung drino ko. Okay? Hindi ako magaling mag-drawing, pero kung malapit, I'm sure ma-appreciate nyo naman. Yes? Okay. Ready ka na? 1, 2, 3. Yes! Thank you very much. You may keep this both. Sa'yo na yan. Once again, Miss Edith, you may go back to your seat. Thank you so much. Yes, maraming salamat. Once again, I am Justin Piñon. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Good night.